Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel once again. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, the person you're hearing her voice is RosesGlam, and the person that you're watching is RosesGlam. Okay, so this video is going to be our day 23 workout challenge. Apparently I was doing this video, forget to record, or I forgot to record it. I put the camera thinking that I turned it on, never didn't know that it wasn't on. Okay, so it was meant to be the 22. It was when I was editing the video I realized that, oh, I could really remember that day 22 wasn't recorded, so it totally escaped me. So the day 23 was what I posted yesterday as my day 22. So when I was looking for day 23, that was when it occurred to me that day 22 wasn't recorded. So what I did was to go and download it from Facebook, because I went live while I was recording. Okay, so while I was carrying out the activity, I went live. So instead of record again for YouTube, I did not. So that was why you see it like this. So bear with me. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly hit on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. And please do give this video a thumb up, even though it might not be what you want, but believe me, recording video, editing it and all that is not easy. It's not easy. So I'm trying. I am not an expert, rather I am doing something that a regular mommy can do at home, to shed some weight, to keep fit, to carry out, house chores while you are doing your thing at home. So these are the activities that I did on my day 22. I started with 22. I started with 8 minutes skipping. From there, standby run, and regular activities that I've been doing. So let's watch it till the end. I know it might not be really the format that you used to, but bear with me. It's just only this particular video. So let's see what happens next. So in this video, I didn't really write much. Unlike other ones, I will write what I'm doing and all that. So in this particular one, most of the things that I'm doing, I mentioned them. So I see that there's no need to start writing them all over again and all that. So please bear with me. Like I said, it's only this one. Okay, let's go. Ooh, I got 900, okay? The leg is getting tired. What's going on? Today we got 921 in 8 minutes. Meanwhile, day before yesterday we got 1056 or thereabout on 800. So today is not a good day. Today is not good. But yeah, at least we did something. We're able to do something. So standby run in 2 minutes. I'm going to set my clock. 2 minutes. 2 minutes standby run.
Afterwards, we go to jumping jacks. 50 jumping jacks. Then we will go to the floor for our plank. Taking it easy. I don't want to get tired so fast. Thank you for joining. 2 minutes. Stand by run. Whew. The weather is a bit nice today. The sun is out. Yeah. I hope it stays like this because UK weather. Oh my goodness. You think it's nice before you know it. The change is start raining. Whew. Yeah. Jump. 50 jumping jacks. I will go to the floor. Let's go. Okay, 1 minute. Planking. Halfway gone. 30 seconds left. Well, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 30 jumping jacks. How we go for the side planking. Okay. All right, we do 45 seconds on the right hand side, and I go for squatting. After squatting, I go another 45 seconds on the left hand side. Oh, this one is good. Oh. Oh. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 reps. Time to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Four, 3, 2, 1. Whew. 10. 10 more. Okay, we do our crunches. After that, we complete our lateral leg raise. to go. 6, 8,
So
9,
guys, I have come to the end
10.
of 23 workout challenge. If you like this video, do give it a thumb up and don't forget to leave your comment at the comment section. I love to read them. Consider sharing this video to any of your social media. I would really appreciate
8,
it. And if you've not
9,
subscribed to our channel, what are
10.
you waiting for?
Oh
Consider
boy.
hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being for watching throughout. I will
Oh
shout
God.
out to Ogum
Oh God.
series. Ogum series, thank you so much for your support from day one. I do appreciate you. And yeah, we will call it a day. Catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, Roses Glam loves you all. Bye now and take care of you. Bye.